everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to play YouTube in picture-in-picture mode on iPhone. So let's get started. First thing first, open the settings app on your iPhone. Then simply scroll down till you see the option General and tap on it. Inside General, scroll down and tap on the picture-in-picture and ensure that the toggle switch for start picture-to-picture automatically is turned on. After that, go to the App Store in order to update your YouTube if you have not already. Tap on the App Store and search for the YouTube app in the search address bar. After you search for it, if you see the update option available right next to the YouTube, then simply tap on the update and make sure to download the up-to-date version of the YouTube. After you update the YouTube, simply go to the YouTube and tap on your profile icon. Now inside the profile icon, tap on the settings. Inside settings, tap on the general and scroll down and you will get to see the picture-in-picture option available there, and make sure to turn it on. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.